In this second part of the problem, you've been asked to factor the denominator, and so we'll set this up as numbers that multiply to the c term -8 and add to the b term -2. Well, that would be -4 and +2, meaning our factors are x minus 4, x plus 2. And what that means is that these are our factors. Our zeros then are 4 and -2. What that means is when x equals 4, the entire denominator equals 0. And when x equals -2, the entire denominator equals 0. So let's just look at when x equals 4. We would have 4 minus 1 over 0. Well, that's 3 over 0. We can't divide by 0. That's undefined. Same thing, when we have -2 as x, we would have -3 divided by 0. That's also undefined. And so for that reason, mathematically, when the factors of the denominator equal 0, those are the values that are not in the domain. So we would say x could not equal 4, x could not equal -2, or we could say x equals 4 and -2 are not in the domain. All other values of x are in the domain.